Today, Monza Pizza Bike Park. I'm Toto and we are gonna learn how to do table and anchor down.
I be laying on the beach getting laid, look away, I ain't never afraid. I get up in a ride and slide over the vibe and Rosarito, I know the key to surviving.
If I think about a stylish trick, the only thing in my mind is table and anchor down. And you can do them with every bikes and in bike parks. Tabletop is on the favorite side of the rider, while anchor down is on the weak side. The easiest way to learn both of them, laying on your back. Let's start from tabletop. First thing, rotate your hand forward on the handlebar and rotate 90 degrees the foot on the front pedal. Now with the turn hand, pull the bar and bring under the opposite armpit. With the foot on the crank arm, try to hold up your bike and go with the shoulder on the fork. If you want to add more style to this trick, you have to rotate 90 degrees your hip and keep your legs perpendicular to the frame. Anchor down usually is on the other side of tabletop and is on the weakest side of the rider. Basically it's like a tabletop, but the bike is more vertical in the air. Now the process is almost the same. Always remember to rotate your hand, the opposite hand on the bar, remove the front foot from the pedal and let the crank spin 90 degrees. Now bring the handlebars on the opposite armpit and click the trick like a boss. And now take it to the next level.
I be chilling by the beach for the day in the fleece. It be cold and shade, opening beer bottles up on my teeth, but my girl be like.